I made it to Spain. I'm in baggage claim. What a long flight. But I'm trying to find my friend. I don't know what she said she was gonna buy. But I got to find her. I was trying to call you and find you because I already called our Uber thinking I would see you immediately. I came. Yeah, I called.
Was it 50 something degrees, 6 something degree with sunshine? It really cloudy.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I checked the weather. Okay, so we're talking about the weather because y'all, we checked the weather before coming here. It was like gonna be sunny in January, and y'all, let me tell you, it was cold when we arrived, and we were like, what is this? Like, what's happening right now?
I never even see their logo before.
I know, right? Oh, yeah, it was a restaurant. I'm gonna check it again. We're in Spain. So we're exploring. This would be a nice place for pictures. Just imagine like nighttime, if there's like lights or something, and we stand by this wall.
I forgot we're in Spain. I wanted to say let's do our best British accent because I don't really learn but
That's what I was doing earlier. When I was in the airport too, I was like out here speaking in British accent. So guys, we're exploring.
yep.
Let's explore.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, we're about to eat with our pictures. Prepare to be sick of us on Instagram. We're about to.
Stop.
This is gonna be our mirror. This
I
is,
know, right?
This is where we're gonna be at. This is gonna be our mirror. We're gonna be here every day, right before we go out,
I know.
taking our
I know.
pics.
I know.
Taking our
But why
flicks.
the room's bad?
Everything. Or all these Europe countries.
Is it cheap?
We're gonna come work out. We come. I'm so bloated. We come and do something. Maybe like a cycle or something. But girl, it's warm. Yo, wait, hold on. It's so warm in here. Cause it's like kind of chilly. It's a little bit chilly. This is sauna, y'all. They have a whole sauna. Pool is heated. We're gonna come. You know, maybe we should go and change our suits right now. Let me feel it. Fresh drink of the trip.
Probably more sugar because it's hot.
That's what it's hot. Oh. It's a big ass one for me. Anyways, we're exhausted, guys. We just ate.
This is a $99 meal right there.
No, really, y'all, $99 they charged us for this meal. Can you imagine? They're already running up our money, but it is what it is. Pushing. Gracias. Room tour. Yo, this is so beautiful. Y'all, this is our room for the next few days. Wow, we have like 2 showers, beautiful room. Yo, everything is so beautiful. We have like water. Birthday vibes! Like, what? Happy birthday to me, period. I didn't give us some champagne. Champagne. Let's look outside. Yo, look at us. We have a private terrace, period. Look at this view. Look at this view, guys. This is so nice. This is what we deserve. This is what we need. What? It is like pretty in here. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Fiona here, coming to you in another video. So guess where we are? We're in Barcelona, Spain. Yeah, it's a birthday trip, period. And it's just gonna be the best time. You know, we're already here having a good time, taking some shots and drinking. We have champagne that we're gonna be popping, like vibes of vibes. You know, vibes is like crazy. We got our bikinis on, the girlies are ready to go to the jacuzzi. We're ready to go to the jacuzzi, like it's gonna be a time, guys. Get ready for Spain. Like, I haven't even posted my Paris vlog, but after this trip, this is the one you're gonna see first, because like it's given and we're about to have a time. We're gonna enjoy ourselves for sure. We got to. We already have an itinerary. We got things we're doing, guys. Like, Spain itinerary is going crazy. It's going crazy. But yeah. But we're gonna go to the jacuzzi, but we're also thinking about going to the club, but we're gonna see though if we're gonna go to the club tonight or not, because it doesn't close till 6 a.m. you know, we could party all night. But we'll see. I'm just here for a good time, not a long time. You know, we're just gonna have fun, go crazy, get wasted. Obviously, we're in Spain, guys. What do you expect?
I'm too scared of this man, so I'm not even going to think about it.
It's so warm and hot in here. I'm so happy. So nice. It's a new day.
Let me tell you this, the older you do get, the more rules are gonna try to get you to follow. You just gotta keep living, man. L-I-V-I-N.
Thank you. Really? You look like you're like 28. Getting ready for the club.
You look at the shorty, man. She's cute.
We're ready to go out and we're taking some pictures.
And you know the crazy thing? It was my lipstick that I use on my brows as my base shadow, and I use eyeliner. The blush. The blush they bring.
So we're out here.
This is us after
We
the
just did
club.
the nightlife. We got here at like 4, but it was so fun though. You
This
know,
is
in a
us
section,
after the club, y'all.
everything. But y'all, we survived. Tomorrow we
did.
run again. We go again.
Are we
tomorrow.
sure? Are we sure?
Wait, we go again tomorrow.
Are we sure we want to do that?
Part 2.
Are we sure we want to do that? Like,
It looks like Paris.
you never seen them busting.
Guys, we just tried some chocolates, and this place have really good chocolates, y'all. I recommend y'all coming here if y'all want to get some like really nice chocolates. These are so cute. I got me, you know, little girl chocolates I tried that I liked. It was like a milk chocolate with Rice Krispie and like lemon zest. Oh, very nice, but I liked it. The market, we made it. Start walking our life away. We walked all the way over here, guys. Long ass walk. What are we trying first? Please. We come back. a nice market though. Where is like actual? No, I think we can go anywhere.
Fruits, snack kind of.
First time trying some oysters. It's so funny. Look at them preparing it.
Main characters.
Right here.
It's the way we act. It's the way we.
The girlies are getting ready. We missed our dinner because we were sleeping, and we knew the sleep was too good to be true. Couldn't get up, y'all. So ready to go to somewhere we found last minute and see if it's still open, hopefully. And then after that, we're gonna go to the club. So guys, today's activity is boat day. We're running a little late, but we're heading there right now. We're in an Uber. You know, yeah. Yeah. So we bought a bunch of snacks from this convenience store. This is one of the snacks we bought. I'm trying it. It's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah. It could be better, but it's not too bad. But it kind of rained too. Guys, look at the sun is shining. God is happy. It's my birthday. Like, I wish I can explain to you guys how happy I am, but God is amazing. My birthday feels amazing. I'm so happy. Like, I've been waking up with like hangovers or something out in the club. Y'all know. But y'all, it's my freaking birthday. Like, cheers to life. I didn't even know there was a pool here. I'm gonna put my feet in the water. So I'm not really like wearing a bikini right now. Guys, look how beautiful the view is. I love views of mountains. Like, beautiful. Guys, it is my birthday, the 17th. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Look at how beautiful the sunset is today. It wasn't like this yesterday because it's my birthday. It's a happy day. It's the day I was born. It's a happy day. Like, it's a blessed day. Like, it's an amazing day. Like, I'm so grateful to God and I'm so happy. Birthday, like, it's setting so beautifully. How does it look?
It looks like medium rare.
Yes, it does though.
I'm going to explain. This is peanut, cherry, and cream. This is mascarpone and strawberry. It's like a strawberry tiramisu. Baklava with pistachio, and we put also vanilla ice cream in the middle. Cheesecake, tiramisu. This is carrot cake, lemon pie, and this is 3 chocolates with Oreo.
For me, yeah, that's
Tiramisu for you.
I have one quick Italian dish.
Oh, it's an Italian dish.
Yeah,
Oh,
my grandma is half Italian. My mom makes them too all the time. And I got so sick of it, and I haven't had it in a couple of years. But then recently I went to like this Italian restaurant, and everyone was like, wait, let me try tiramisu see if I like it. And I love it. Again, yeah. But it's so easy.
yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can make it. I like how it tastes. You guys tried the bottom part with the part with alcohol? Try it. It's good too. Yeah, like, try to get in there. And I like that it's cold. I'll put it in the fridge. Yeah, it tastes good, right?
I'm gonna come back to Barcelona. No, first I'm gonna go to Valencia, Madrid, all those spots, okay? And then
Oh, thank you. Yes, shots for all of us. Yay. Thank you. We're gonna be trying Paradiso. Oh, you can flip.
tener la primera nubecita. Carissimo, Greg Gaspi. Tutto affumicato con un tabacco di cioccolato e vaniglia. Salute fratello mio. You feel it on your mouth? We start like to tingling. No! Andrea, prendi 4 peroni, per favore, da pastrami. So we bring it in our book. Oh, completely smoked of a flavor that should bring inside the library.
My last days here. So sad. Miss this place. I'm gonna miss this place, guys. Can't believe it's my last days. I'm about to take a shower, get ready for dinner, and yeah. But my friend already left, so it's just me here. It's my last day. It's so sad, but I enjoyed my birthday. Hey guys, I just want to talk for a quick second because I am just so grateful to God. Like, y'all, it's my birthday. Like, I'm in Spain. I'm happy. I'm glowing. I look older. I think I look older than I did like last year compared to how I look. I don't know if that's like for real, but I do look older. I feel like I feel older, you know, spiritually, mentally. Like, I feel older inside. But guys, like, it's really my birthday. It's January. I'm a Capricorn, of course, and I'm happy. Like, it's my birthday and I just feel happy, and I'm so grateful to God, y'all. Y'all don't understand, but God is amazing. Like, God is so great. Like, you guys understand. I feel so blessed and I feel so happy, and I'm just enjoying life and enjoying my privacy and enjoying the decisions I'm making. When I was younger, and I used to imagine like what I'm gonna do when I'm like 21, and I'm gonna do when I'm like 22, how I want to be when I'm like by 25 and stuff like that. So the fact that I'm in my 20s now and I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just happy because like baby Fiona is like happy for grown Fiona because she's really that girl. But like, because I don't know, I'm just who I wanted to be. I mean, I could be more who I wanted to be, but no, I'm just that girl, and I feel like that girl, and I feel so blessed. Like, it's not me, it's God. God always helps me, protects me, comforts me. Like, God got my back forever, and I'm just so grateful. Like, throughout 2023, I have lost interest in so many things. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I've lost interest in a lot of things, like clubbing. Like, I don't know, there's just so many things I've lost interest in. And I know that's so weird to say because I'm out here in a foreign country clubbing, but it's different. I'm telling you, I swear it's different. Like, clubbing in a different country feels different. Recently, I have been on this wave of Europe trip, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I like it. So right now I'm in Spain. I'm in Barcelona, Spain. We're gonna go to Mirabella, but I found Mirabella was too chill, but not enough to do besides nightlife and beach life. But it's January, so I don't think the beach clubs will be open right now. So we're like, let's go to Barcelona. So we're in Barcelona, Spain, period. And cheers to a new age. Cheers to life.
What did I say? Oh, I hope it's good. We're all in this together.
So oxtails and the lamb.
Roasted lamb with parsnip.